In this video, we're going to talk about how to write the equation of a line. So the given problem tells us that our line has to pass through the point -6, 9, and it's going to have the slope of 4/3. There are two different routes that you can take when approached with a problem like this, and either one works, so it's really up to your personal preference. The first is to solve the problem using slope-intercept form, something that we're pretty familiar with by now. And the second is using something new called point-slope form. In this video, we're going to look at how to do both. First, let's solve it using slope-intercept form. So the first thing that we're going to do is really just plug in all of the information that we've already got. So in the problem, it tells us that it passes through -6 and 9, or -6, 9, that point. So we're going to plug in those numbers for our x and y coordinates. So y is 9 equals m, remember, is slope, so that's 4/3. X is -6 plus b. And now we have all of this stuff, but we only have one variable left, so we're going to go ahead and solve for b, which is our y-intercept. Simplifying, we have 9 equals, doing this multiplication, -6 times 4 is -24, divided by 3 is -8, plus b. Add 8 to both sides, so b is 17. Oops. B is 17. So now all we have to do is plug our m and our b in and say that y equals 4/3 x plus 17, and that's our answer in slope-intercept form. Now let's look at solving it using point-slope form. The methods are the same, but the formula that we're using is different. So in this formula, the x1 and the y1 are the values given by the point in the problem. So the regular x and the regular y are going to stay as variables in our problem. So plugging in information, this y stays, y1 is 9, our m is 4/3, that regular x stays, and we have minus x1, but since x1 is -6, those negatives cancel out, and we get a +6. And now we go ahead and distribute this, and we're going to end up solving for y. So, oops, y minus 9 equals 4/3 x plus 8, and then adding 9 to both sides, y equals 4/3 x plus 17. So as you can see, this one turned out just the same as the other one did, so it's really all a matter of which you prefer. There's a variety of different ways that these problems could be presented to you, but if you just remember to keep these three formulas in mind, you should be able to solve any of them.